Hi everyone, Amy Murphy in the ABC 15 Weather Center. Here's what you can plan on statewide today. Temperatures a few degrees warmer than yesterday for sure. A lot more sunshine as well. 59 at the Grand Canyon, 57 in Flagstaff, 60 degrees in Show Low, 86 degrees Lake Havasu, 68 in Prescott, and 85 degrees here in the valley. We will be warmer. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour and clear and mild overnight with 58 degrees. Over the next 7 days, here's what you can expect. Near record heat on Wednesday as we hit 89 degrees. 92 on Thursday could break that old record of 91 degrees, and we could tie the old record on Friday of 92. Back into the low 90s again Saturday, holding there on Sunday. And as we head into early next week, we may drop back into the upper 80s.